Join me as I hunt down the best titanium frame alternatives to the iPhone 16 Pro Max and see if we can find a worthy contender. Smartphone makers aim for premium build quality, with a titanium frame being highly sought after. The iPhone 16 Pro Max uses a titanium frame, which is stronger, lighter, and more resistant to corrosion than plastic or aluminum. Few smartphones use titanium, but some flagship models offer it as an alternative. 1. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the newest flagship smartphone featuring a titanium frame. Similar to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the back is made of glass. The S25 Ultra not only feels premium in hand but is also scratch and impact resistant, thanks to the robust Corning Gorilla armor to protecting both the front and back. Additionally, it has an IP68 certification, which guarantees water resistance up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. 2. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This smartphone, launched in January 2024, features titanium side similar to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. However, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's titanium is Grade 2, which is lower than the Grade 5 used in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Nonetheless, the back and screen of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are well protected by Corning Gorilla armor, making them resistant to damage. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts several superior features, including IP68 certification, stylus support, Samsung DeX, and more. 3. Xiaomi 14 Pro. Xiaomi 14 Pro, which was released in November 2023. It is explained that the material used in the frame is titanium, the same as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. However, it is not explained what grade the titanium material is. Meanwhile, the rear body uses glass material with shatterproof glass protection on the front. Some of the superior features of the Xiaomi 14 Pro are that it has IP68 certification and supports two-way satellite communication features. 4. Honor Magic 6 RS or Porsche design. Honor Magic 6 RS or Porsche design is one of the smartphones that makes the design sector its main advantage. This cell phone has a frame made of curved titanium material, has a thin bezel with a 91.6% screen-to-body ratio, and is waterproof thanks to IP68 protection. The back, body and screen of the Honor Magic 6 RS or Porsche design are also very sturdy because they are protected by nanocrystal shield, which can withstand scratches and impacts. However, the most interesting thing about the Honor Magic 6 RS or Porsche design is the iconic camera design and the voluminous center line. In conclusion, titanium frames are high quality, but there are many other materials that provide similar advantages without the downsides. Innovative companies are exploring new options, making it an exciting time for smartphone fans. What's your take on titanium frames versus alternative materials? Let me know in the comments below.